The Galaxy Z Fold 7 is a sleek and attractive foldable phone that has been shown in high-quality pictures. The phone comes in three dramatic colors: blue shadow, silver shadow, and jet black, each with its own unique charm and glossy finish. The build is smaller than ever, and the phone's profile is remarkably tiny, particularly given its 4,400 mAh battery. Evan Blast's pictures reveal a tiny wrinkle on the inner screen, an improved hinge design, and the Fold series' trademark triple back camera system. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 is rumored to include an 8.22-inch main display, a mold inner display, and a 6.5-inch cover screen, all of which will enable a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. Other hues, such as green mint or blue, silver shadow, pink, black, and white, are most likely accessible. The tablet will come pre-installed with Android 16 and Samsung's One UI 8 Skin, which will include new features, customization options, and potentially additional AI advances. It has an armored aluminum frame and is water and dust resistant up to IP48. When unfurled, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 measures 158.4 x 143.1 x 0.5 mm, making it even more compact and pocket-friendly for a foldable device. However, the larger screen size may make it difficult for certain users to hold. Stylus support remains a part of the experience, although it is unclear if a new S Pen Fold version will be released with the phone. Another area where users want to see an improvement is in price. The present 5-watt fast charging is lackluster for a phone in this price range, particularly as rivals offer considerably faster choices. It remains to be seen if Samsung will make any improvements. All eyes are now on Samsung's Unpacked event on July 9th, when the Z Fold 7, Z Flip 7, and other Galaxy smartphones will be formally announced. With rumors like these, interest is already high, and if these models are anything like the real thing, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 might be Samsung's greatest foldable phone ever. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.